Kawasaki Vulcan S. Best cruiser motorcycles for beginners. So you're a new rider eyeing cruiser motorbikes? That's a good choice. Cruisers made great first bikes for several reasons. We're sure you'll love its strength, lightweight and, yes, style. Some of the best cruiser bikes for beginners combine it all. Think sleek urban looks, a rustic vibe, and a laid-back attitude. And the best part is, beginner cruisers look and feel just as powerful as their larger counterparts. In fact, some of the best cruiser motorcycles for beginners are perfect for development. As you rise more and more, you will develop your skills. Once that happens, your novice explorer may start to feel like a serious road bike capable of anything. If you choose your first beginner cruiser wisely, chances are, you'll be driving it for years before wanting to upgrade. Best choice for best starter cruiser motorcycle. While the beginner cruiser motorcycle market is huge, we take a look at some classics that are light and moderate in power. Then, we evaluate the reliability of the bike. We also look at the most prominent brands and models. Finally, we factor in price. As a new rider, you probably don't want to part with $10,000 and over for your new bike. Without further ado, here are our top picks for beginner cruiser bikes. Kawasaki Vulcan S. Kawasaki Vulcan, best cruiser motorcycles for beginners. Another classic, Kawasaki Vulcan is a serious contender among the best beginner cruisers. This mean machine features a parallel twin engine, a must for true cruiser fans, and its 649 cubic centimeters displacement is just right for a new rider. The thing is powerful, mind you, but its low seat makes it manageable. We're not entirely thrilled about the 500-pound weight, but because of Vulcan's ingenious design and a comfortable, upright seating position, this is a beast most new riders will be able to tame. In addition, the Vulcan is a reliable motorcycle that will serve you for years. Kawasaki, like most Japanese motorcycle brands, is known for making well-built bikes that do not require much maintenance and run for years. This is why we've also included the Vulcan in our best cruiser motorcycles list. This thing is an excellent bike to grow into. After a year or two riding the Vulcan, you won't be looking for a newer, more powerful motorcycle. This bike can handle much more, and at a price point of $8,099, it's a great beginner cruiser with plenty of potential. Much like the Rebel, the Vulcan offers a strong aftermarket support. You'll find replacement parts easily, and you can customize the bike as much as you want. Kawasaki Vulcan S pros and cons. Pros: mid-sized engine, low seat, beginner-friendly, great design and ergonomics, will remain a great bike when you become a more experienced rider, reliable and affordable. Cons: heavier weight, conservative design. Specs: engine, liquid-cooled, DOH seat parallel twin. Displacement, 649 cubic centimeters. Bore X stroke, 83.0 by 60.0 millimeters. Horsepower, 53.5 horsepower at 7,150 RPM. Torque, 42.7 pound-ft at 5,650 RPM. Transmission, 6-speed. Final drive, chain. Seat height, 27.8 inches. Rake, 31.8 degrees. Trail, 4.7 inches. Front suspension, 41 mm telescopic fork, 5.1 inches. Travel. Rear suspension, preload adjustable, 3.1 inches. Travel. Front tire, 120/70-18. Rear tire, 160/60-17. Wheelbase, 62.0 inches. Fuel capacity, 3.7 gallons. Curb weight, 498 pounds. Important for cruiser owner. Now that you've got your top 5 picks for the best beginner cruiser motorcycles, let's talk about some of the important things you need to keep in mind. Here are a few things to keep in mind as a new bike owner. 1. Take good care of your motorbike. Buying a bike is the first step, but taking care of it regularly is essential if you want to keep it in tip-top shape. As a new rider, you may want to trust your dealer and let a professional handle the service. However, if you're mechanically minded, check out our motorcycle maintenance tips for beginners and take care of your bike yourself. 2. Get some good gear. Riding a motorcycle is fun, but it also carries inherent risks. Once you have purchased your first motorcycle, be sure to invest in some quality motorcycle protective clothing. Sturdy, over-the-ankle boots, protective pants and jacket, gloves, and a good helmet are a must to stay safe on the road.